Okay, so garage painting in Vancouver. It's similar to house painting. There's one main difference is often, homeowners are not that concerned about the level of workmanship, and they don't get done as often. They're a little more, as a structure, they're a little bit more basic. You can see some of the issues on this one. This is acrylic stucco. So, and you can see the dirt here. So prior to painting, it needs to be given a good clean. Also, you can see some of the issues up here on the joints. Somebody's tried fixing that once before, and it's failed already. It's been only a few years. That wasn't done by me. It was done by somebody else. So for garage painting on a garage like this, good washing, scraping, sanding where needed, repairs, and then painting with good quality acrylic latex paint. That's basically garage painting in Vancouver. Garage painting in Vancouver. So here's an example of a really old garage that has not been maintained. This house would have been built probably in the 20s. And you can see how the condition of the paint. The paint is in very poor shape. It probably hasn't been painted in 40 or 50 years. And, that's what happens. So basically, if this was going to be done, it would be given a really good wash, a good scrape, a good sand, and a coat of primer, and then 2 top coats. Another option would be using a self-priming paint, in which case then everything that I just said, wash, scrape, sand, and then 2 coats of self-priming paint. So this is an example of a really run-down garage here in Vancouver.